Ready for a wild ride into the speedy side of life? Here's a fact that'll make you rethink your daily sneeze game. Fact check. Your average sneeze is like a tiny superhero taking off at 100 miles per hour. That's right, faster than your morning commute. And the kicker, the air it hurls can reach up to 5 feet away. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, be prepared for a mini explosion of speed. Tag that friend who sneezes like a rocket, and let's spread the sneezing speed gospel. Boom, sneezing and breezing, my friends. Hit share and let the world know sneezes are faster than you think. Catch you on the speedy side.